In the vast canvas of textile and fashion history, the year 1982 stands out as an epochal moment for the embroidery industry. The inception of Pulse Microsystems Stitchworks software heralded a paradigm shift so profound that it metamorphosed embroidery from a craft bound by traditional methods to a technologically advanced art form. The software, discernible by its innovative PC-based approach to embroidery design, was not merely a product, it was an agent of change. This revolutionary embroidery software, aptly titled Stitchworks, was a breakthrough innovation, the first of its kind to enable decorators to harness the power of digital technology. Before its advent, the embroidery industry's creative process was a cumbersome affair. Embroiderers were craftsmen of patience. They meticulously drew and traced designs onto paper, a prelude to the painstaking translation into stitch patterns through a mechanical punch machine. This process embodied artisanal skill but was labor-intensive and constrained by the inherent limitations in design flexibility. The creation of Stitchworks by Pulse Microsystems dismantled these limitations. It gave decorations the key to a previously uncharted realm where they could conceive and modify embroidery designs using outlines instead of stitches. This shift to outlines was a significant milestone, a masterstroke in digital innovation. It empowered decorators with the ability to scale and manipulate designs directly on the computer. This granted them an unprecedented level of creative freedom, a fluidity of expression that had been unimaginable in the embroidery sector before Stitchworks. With the introduction of Stitchworks, the digital embroidery software transformed the laborious analog process into an agile digital workflow. Seamlessly, designs crafted on the computer could be output to paper tape, becoming the vital link between digital artistry and physical manifestation. Embroidery machines, deciphering the instructions on the tape, brought the designs to life on fabric. The freedom to work with outlines instead of stitches meant that a decorator could modify a design's properties with a few clicks, scaling, rotating, and distorting to achieve the desired aesthetic effect. The ease with which parts of a design could be amended or restructured greatly boosted productivity, making more intricate and complex designs not only feasible, but manageable. This scalability brought forth a renaissance in embroidery work, enabling decorations to experiment without the fear of wasted effort or resources. It was McPherson, a prominent distributor of embroidery supplies, that saw the potential encapsulated within Stitchworks and took the initiative to sell the software on a global scale. Their involvement was a pivotal development in the dissemination of digital embroidery technology around the world. As McPherson's distribution channels burgeoned, so too did the accessibility of Stitchworks to decorators across the planet. The software's reputation grew by leaps and bounds, becoming a beloved tool in the arsenal of embroidery professionals and creating a solid foundation for other advanced software applications that would further transform the industry in years to come. Stitchworks positively disrupted the embroidery landscape, fostering a culture of innovation that previously didn't exist. The creative possibilities introduced by the software injected a new vigor into the industry, inspiring a generation of decorators to explore new horizons. Their newfound ability to manipulate designs on a computer screen opened up endless prospects for customization and personalization in embroidery, which resonated with the market's growing appetite for unique, tailor-made products. The ascent of Stitchworks to a status of widespread appeal was a testament to more than its technological prowess. It was recognition of the time-saving benefits and the artisanal potential it unlocked. Beyond simplifying the design process, it enabled the production of prototypes with rapid turnaround time, allowing for the efficient evaluation and refinement of designs. This was crucial in a competitive market where speed could be the difference between success and failure. Over the years, computer-based embroidery software like Stitchworks has become an invaluable tool for decorators. In the competitive landscape of fashion and textiles, the capacity to rapidly conceive, visualize, and produce intricate designs is indispensable. The software's legacy is seen in every piece of embroidered fabric, in every stitch that combines the precision of digital technology with the artistry of human creativity. Pulse Microsystems' foresight in developing Stitchworks in 1982 is a shining example of innovation that reshapes an industry. It stood as a beacon, signaling a transition from traditional embroidery methods to a future where digital technology and artistry would intertwine seamlessly. The development and global distribution of stitchworks propelled the embroidery industry into a new era, enriching it with capabilities that continue to inspire, evolve, and celebrate the art of embroidery. In concluding reflections, the introduction of Stitchworks software by Pulse Microsystems was an evolutionary leap for the embroidery industry. It was an innovation that infused the centuries-old craft with a newfound vitality, allowing creators to expand the boundaries of what was possible. The success of Stitchworks, augmented by its availability through McPherson's global network, marked a pivotal moment that facilitated the spread of computer-based embroidery software worldwide. From this pivotal spark began an unstoppable trend. Today, computer-based embroidery is the standard, an industry staple, and it can trace its lineage back to the pioneering inception of Stitchworks. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.